Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make this card that features some retiring Stampin' Up! Product as well as some brand new Stampin' Up! Products. So let's go ahead and get started. The stamp that you see on the background here is from the stamp set Garden in Bloom, and this is retiring at the end of this month. So just a couple weeks left to get this stamp set. It's a two-step stamp, meaning that you could stamp this image and then this one right inside of it, or you can see, the coordination. Actually, this is three-step with the additional detailed stamp there. So it's photopolymer, so it's super easy to use because you can see right through, line everything up. So this is retiring, but what's interesting is that this flower right here coordinates perfectly with the flower on our brand new designer paper. And so I wanted to use that together this month to show how you can make a card with both of those. So the stamp set is only available until the end of this month, and this paper is part of the Share What You Love Designer Series paper, which you can pre-order in a bundle this month as like a sneak peek early release. So what I'm going to do is start. This is another sneak peek for you. This is Mossy Meadow cardstock. This was a former in color that is now part of our neutrals collection. I should point this out. This is the little, oh gosh, what is it even called? Piercing mat, maybe? It's just like a little foam. I don't remember what the technical name is for it. Anyhow, I slide that under my paper when I use photopolymer stamps because it helps me get a good, even image. So with photopolymer, you don't have that foam layer in there like you do with the rubber stamp, and so that's what that provides, because this table that I'm working on appears to be a smooth surface, but it actually is not as consistent as I would like it to be. So I am inking this image on my ink pad with Versamark ink, and then I'm just going to randomly stamp some flowers in the background. I thought it was interesting that this retiring image so perfectly coordinates with that brand new paper. So I'm curious if it's the same person that designed both of them. I'm not sure. Okay, I think that's good. So this layer, let me get this out of here so it lies flat again. This layer will go on our Mint Macaron card base. This was also a previous in color that is now part of our Subtles collection. So some favorite in colors are returning with this latest color revamp by Stampin' Up! And I'm super excited about that. I absolutely love our new color collections. So this will go right on top here. And then that gorgeous piece of designer paper. This is 3 inches by 4 inches. And when I cut into my 12 by 12, I often try to do it either 3 by 4 or 2 by 5.5 or whatever it might be, because then I'll get the maximum amount. If I'm cutting something 2 inches wide and like 5.5, for example, I can get 12 of them out of one sheet. If I'm cutting something 4 inches by 3 inches, again, I can get 12 out of one sheet. So sometimes just paying attention, if I did this 4 1/4, I would get much less out of that sheet because of that simple 1/4 inch. So try to pay attention to those little details there. So this piece is going to be layered over to the side here. And I absolutely love how it pulls these green shades together. It's also got some old olive in here, as well as Tranquil Tide. So there's actually 4 green colors in this designer paper, which is really fun. I'm pulling off, if I find it, there's one, a glue dot. Let me tear off that extra. And just, I think I tore it. That's funny. I think it went with that sheet. Let me just go like this. Set it on there, lift it up, then I won't mess up. I'm going to fold that over, and then one more time go back and grab another one. And then this I'm going to put right on the back of here. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see that. It's right on the edge of my thumbnail, that original one. How silly. Goodness sakes. Okay, we can get rid of that. And then I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of this and raise that up. And I'm going to line it up right here on the edge. So this is a super quick and creative card. The colors on here, the pearlized designer paper, this is such a gorgeous card, and it's super easy to make like you just saw. You could easily make a number of these, and with this gorgeous paper, you can do the same type of layout and just use different papers, different coordinating colors. You could stamp thank you or thinking of you, whatever greeting you needed here. But this would be a very easy layout to duplicate and add a little bit of ribbon, just a really nice card. Now this paper, remember, you can get as part of the Share What You Love sneak peek bundles that are available this month. And if you order one of those bundles from me, you also get a free card kit in the mail. And I'll post a link to that event that I have on my Facebook page so you can see the details on how you can get one of my free card kits. Thanks so much for watching.